If you love power, speed, and the thrill of cutting wood, this is for you. Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where technology meets the art of woodworking. Let's explore the power of automation and mighty chainsaws. The Valmet 840.3 is a specialized timber truck equipped with a powerful crane arm for easy loading and unloading of logs. It features a high-performance engine, ensuring stable and strong operation in all working conditions. Its robust drivetrain and sturdy chassis allow the Valmet 840.3 to maneuver smoothly across all terrains, including rough and hard-to-reach areas. This makes it an ideal choice for the forestry industry, delivering high efficiency and reliable durability. The hydraulic log splitter with a single blade is designed for fast and efficient wood splitting. With a powerful hydraulic system, it reduces labor effort and increases productivity in wood processing. Its sturdy construction and simple operation make it suitable for both industrial production and personal use. The Bandit SG40 is a specialized machine for removing tree stumps after cutting, ensuring fast and efficient cleanup. It is equipped with a circular cutting disc featuring multiple strong and sharp blades, making stump grinding easy. With a powerful and flexible design, it is ideal for forestry work and urban landscaping. The woodcutter ventured alone into the forest, each sharp stroke of his saw felling one tree after another. Day by day, the lush green forest gradually disappeared, leaving only bare stumps behind. When the work was done, he stood still in the empty space. The craftsman built a log-splitting tool using a sturdy iron frame with a sharp, fixed blade. Simply placing the log in and striking it with force would instantly split it in half. Thanks to this tool, splitting firewood became easier, faster, and safer. The Case CX135 SR excavator roared in the garden, its arm reaching out to uproot the large tree stumps. The ground was being cleared, removing deep-rooted stumps from the soil. One by one, the powerful steel arm pulled them out, leaving empty spaces behind. Before long, the garden became flat, ready for a new transformation. In a small sawmill on the edge of the village, an old craftsman diligently worked beside his worn-out saw machine, marked by time. The sharp blade spun steadily, cutting through the wood with remarkable precision. Though aged, it still produced beautiful, smooth planks, a testament to the skilled hands of the craftsman. The rhythmic hum of the saw blended with the fresh scent of wood, evoking a sense of warmth and enduring craftsmanship through the years. A creative craftsman repurposed his old car into a convenient log splitter. By connecting the engine's rotating shaft to the splitting blade, he transformed the car's power into an efficient wood-cutting tool. Thanks to this unique idea, the heavy labor became much easier, saving both time and effort. Wow! The 80-ton log splitter roared to life, its razor-sharp blade striking down like a god's mighty blow. In the blink of an eye, the massive log cracked apart, shattering like a crispy biscuit. The sheer power was astonishing, leaving everyone watching wide-eyed, both shocked and thrilled. With astonishing precision, this machine peels bark as effortlessly as unwrapping a gift, stripping each layer flawlessly. Its smooth and powerful operation is a testament to the pinnacle of forestry technology. The Vitru TMF 28 News 21 transforms heavy-duty tasks into swift, seamless processes, turning challenges into impressive feats of mastery. I am truly impressed by the simplicity and versatility of this new circular saw. The best part is that it can handle both long and short logs effortlessly, without any hassle. This is truly a powerful, all-in-one tool that delivers optimal performance with minimal effort. It's like having the best of both worlds, convenient and efficient, making the job easier than ever. In a tense logging competition, choosing the right saw is the key to victory. If you need endurance all day, steel is the reliable choice. But for unmatched power in milling, Husqvarna is the beast. Each has its own strengths, and picking the right tool is crucial to maximizing performance. Which one will you choose for this challenge? The Stihl 090 BOS is a legendary chainsaw in forestry, known for its durable design and powerful 8-horsepower engine. Introduced in the 1960s, it was widely used for heavy-duty logging, becoming a symbol of strength and reliability. Transporting tons of timber on steep, rugged roads is a tough challenge. Even a small mistake can be dangerous, requiring exceptional skill and focus. These drivers are not only skilled, but also incredibly brave. This classic drag saw is running powerfully, using a gasoline engine of around 4 to 8 horsepower to drive the flywheel, moving the over 1 meter long blade back and forth to cut through thick logs. Its sturdy steel frame keeps the machine stable, while the wheels allow for easy transportation. This is a drag saw model from the early 20th century, commonly used before chainsaws became widespread. The machine efficiently and precisely handles large logs. If firewood processing were an Olympic sport, the IMT 509 Spundurva Bavanist would undoubtedly stand on the podium. With its unmatched power, impressive speed, and unrivaled efficiency, this machine turns heavy labor into a commanding performance. A gold medal? No debate. It already belongs to the IMT 509. This sawmill is a masterpiece of precision engineering, perfectly blending traditional craftsmanship with modern efficiency. With its powerful circular blade and steady operation, it transforms logs into perfectly cut lumber in seconds. Each cut showcases remarkable accuracy and speed, delivering exceptional wood quality. Whether used in construction or fine woodworking, it proves its enduring value over time. Behold this impressive machine, a perfect fusion of an excavator and a giant circular saw, cutting through massive logs with astonishing precision. In the blink of an eye, towering timber is transformed into perfectly sized lumber, ready for use. This blend of raw power and refined control not only enhances efficiency but also showcases how modern technology is revolutionizing the traditional logging industry. Europe Chipper's EC1 129 Ultimate Power. With 800 horsepower and a Caterpillar C18 engine, the Europe Chipper's EC1 129 is a powerhouse wood chipper, processing up to 250 milliliters of wood per hour. Its advanced feed system ensures high-quality wood chips, reduces dust, and enhances efficiency while being eco-friendly. Hydraulic wood splitter, peak performance. With a capacity of 100 milliliters of wood per day and 20 tons of force per strike, this machine significantly speeds up firewood processing. Despite its power, it consumes only 4 to 5 liters of fuel per day, perfectly blending hydraulic technology with DIY innovation for outstanding efficiency. JD7730 and Rotor S fast stump removal. Ugly stumps ruining your landscape? The JD7730 and Rotor S stump cutter clear them in no time. This powerful duo removes stumps of all sizes, leaving a clean slate ready for your next project. Homemade stump grinder. Impressive performance. Who needs a high-end grinder when you can build a powerful one yourself? Equipped with a pressure washer engine and a Leonardi Blue Shark wheel, this machine proves that with the right parts and some mechanical know-how, you can tackle stumps like a pro. Mobilco Swing Saw 1958, timeless power. Even after more than half a century, the Mobilco Swing Saw 1958 still cuts through gray box, one of the toughest woods, with ease. Like a classic muscle car, it stands as a symbol of strength and durability through the years. .5 kilowatt hydraulic wood splitter and efficiency. With a 7.5 kilowatt motor, this hydraulic wood splitter effortlessly handles tough logs, significantly speeding up firewood processing. Its powerful force and durable design ensure high performance, saving both time and effort. The massive sawmill roared as its sharp blades sliced through the giant oak trunk. Wood chips flew, revealing smooth grain and a distinct earthy aroma. Under the machine's power, the thick log was gradually cut into even planks. The loud rumbling echoed through the workshop, marking a busy workday. The wood-cutting machine roared as its sharp blade, crafted from a car rim, spun and sliced through the log. Wood chips fell, revealing smooth grain. The metallic shine flickered under the light, blending with the saw's echo throughout the workshop. The industrial bark stripping machine roared as hundreds of sharp blades spun rapidly, peeling off rough bark in an instant. Smooth logs rolled out continuously, ready for the next processing stage. Its powerful efficiency allows it to handle large quantities of wood daily. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any exciting content. See you in the next video.